Hey, welcome back. I'm Michael.
And I'm Alisa. Hello, everyone.
Alisa, can I ask you something?
Of course. What's on your mind?
What do you usually do in your free time?
That's a great question. I like doing many different things. What about you?
I think free time is very important. After work or school, we all need time to relax.
That's true. If we use our free time wisely, we can become happier and healthier.
Exactly. And today we're going to talk about how to spend free time in fun and useful ways.
Yes, just relax, listen to our conversation, and improve your English naturally.
No difficult grammar, no boring lessons, just real English conversation.
So grab a cup of coffee, tea, or even a glass of water.
Make yourself comfortable and enjoy today's conversation.
All right, Michael, let's begin.
Let's go!
Okay, Alisa, first question. What do you usually do after work?
After work, I like to relax for a little while. Then I usually read a book or listen to music.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you enjoy?
Mostly storybooks. Sometimes I read books about travel or personal growth.
Personal growth?
Yes, books that teach new ideas or good habits.
I like those too. I think reading is one of the best hobbies.
I totally agree. Reading helps us learn new words and new ideas.
Do you read every day?
Almost every day. Even 20 minutes is enough for me.
That's a good habit.
Thank you. What about you? Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, but I also enjoy watching documentaries.
Really?
Yes. I love learning about nature, history, and different countries.
That sounds interesting. I watch documentaries sometimes too.
They help us learn while having fun.
Exactly. Learning doesn't always have to feel like studying.
Besides reading, what else do you enjoy doing?
I love listening to music. Music helps me relax after a busy day.
What kind of music do you like?
Soft music. Sometimes pop music. Sometimes relaxing piano music.
I like happy songs. They always make me smile.
Music really changes our mood, doesn't it?
It certainly does. Whenever I feel stressed, I play my favorite songs.
That's a wonderful idea.
Do you sing along?
Sometimes, but don't ask me to sing today.
Why not?
Because I'm not a very good singer.
Don't worry. Singing is about having fun.
You're right.
Another great way to spend free time is going for a walk.
Oh, yes. I love walking in the park.
Me too. Fresh air makes me feel refreshed.
And walking is good for our health.
Exactly. You don't need expensive equipment, just comfortable shoes.
Do you usually walk alone or with friends?
Mostly alone. It helps me think clearly.
I enjoy walking with my family. We talk about our day together.
That sounds lovely.
Sometimes we also take photos during our walk.
Photography is another fun hobby.
Yes, you can capture beautiful moments.
Nature, flowers, birds, sunsets. There are so many wonderful things to photograph.
Every picture tells a story.
I like that sentence. Every picture tells a story.
Let's teach our listeners a few useful words.
Great idea.
First word, hobby.
A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time.
Reading is my favorite hobby.
My hobby is photography.
Next word, relax.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
I like to relax by listening to music.
After a busy day, everyone needs time to relax.
Next word, creative.
Creative means using your imagination to make something new.
Drawing is a creative hobby.
Cooking can also be very creative.
That's true.
Let's repeat those words together.
Hobby. Relax. Creative.
Excellent. These are simple words that you can use every day.
Great job, everyone.
Okay, Michael, let's change the topic a little.
Sure.
Have you ever tried learning a new skill in your free time?
Yes, last year I started learning photography.
Really? How was it?
At first, it was difficult, but after practicing every week, I became much better.
That's inspiring.
I believe anyone can learn a new skill if they practice regularly.
I completely agree.
Free time is a great opportunity to grow and improve ourselves.
Absolutely. Even 1 hour a day can make a big difference.
That's a wonderful message.